If you're thinking about starting a business, one of the first decisions you'll need to make is what type of legal structure you want to use. For many small business owners, a limited liability company, or LLC, is a popular choice. But do you need a lawyer to start an LLC? Before we answer this important question, please subscribe, and ring our notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. So, do you need a lawyer to start an LLC? The answer is simple. No, you do not need a lawyer to start an LLC. You can form an LLC with ease by using the online formation service of legalregistration.com. In fact, according to a survey conducted by the National Business Incubation Association, only 22% of small business owners who formed an LLC hired a lawyer to help with the process. Now, while you don't need a lawyer to start an LLC, there are certain situations where it might be a good idea to seek legal advice. For example, if you have extremely complex legal issues, such as intellectual property or employment contracts, it might be a good idea to consult with a lawyer. Additionally, if you're forming an LLC with multiple owners, it's important to have a well-written operating agreement that addresses issues like profit sharing and decision-making. But even then, you do not necessarily need a lawyer. Our organization is standing by to help you draft an operating agreement right now. One key reason you might want to avoid hiring a lawyer to start an LLC is the cost. Most lawyers will charge hundreds of dollars per hour, which can drain the resources of a new business. Remember, most states require LLCs to file annual reports and pay annual fees. It's important to budget for these costs when starting your LLC. To learn more about LLC formation and set up your entity ASAP, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about potentially using the help of lawyers to start LLCs? Are they worth spending many hundreds, if not thousands, of extra dollars? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.